Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. And this is not Luna Classic, this is Rune. So this is Luna Classic. Wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I mean, we've seen some more bearish momentum over the course of today, basically. I mean, Bitcoin is dipping a bit, and Luna Classic, a little bit weirdly, is quite correlated to Bitcoin. For about 50%. I mean, that used to be much lower, but what we got is some good bullish momentum for Luna Classic. It's not as much as it was last weekend when we had these three spikes, of course. But this time around, market circumstances were better, and the price was already higher. I mean, the price never really fell down that much. So the open interest boost we got and the momentum boost we got was actually enough to push us to the top of resistance, all right? Because Luna Classic, and that's also one of the main things I wanted to look at, we have not had a major bullish breakout yet, all right? This red level, and that's a level I've had on my chart for a very long time, that's the main level to break. So let's say that's 12,000, and the entire level ranges from like 11,200 all the way up to that 12,000 level. And we got some strong bullish momentum, and the market circumstances were pretty good, but in the end we have not broken out yet. And I'm not sure if we will. I mean, like I said, I mean, the open interest right now, it's just not high enough, I would say. And fundamentally, there's also really not much going on with Luna Classic. So at some point of time, and I keep saying this because I do believe it, at some point of time, Luna Classic can definitely break out and rally. If we get some more news regarding what they're doing with Luna Classic and USDC, we can definitely rally, all right? It's not even a question if, it's more the question when and at what price. All right, but at this moment, I'm not convinced. I mean, what could still happen, and that's a realistic scenario. So it's not just that I want to tell you something bullish. But what could still happen is that right now, this level right here, around 11,500, has turned into a quite strong support. So if we're actually able to hold that support while we're getting this bearish momentum from Bitcoin, or bearish momentum, this pullback from Bitcoin, if we can hold this, and if the open interest from there can increase again, which this is something you'll have to monitor, all right? I cannot predict that. At this moment, it does not look most likely that it will increase. Something else which you can also check out is just the volume, all right? If the volume keeps increasing after we hit this support level at 11,200 and 11,500, then there's a possibility we break above 12,000 and rally up to our next price target at 13,500. But at this moment, given the fact that the open interest in my eyes is not nearly high enough, and that I do expect some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin, I think it's more likely that we might find some support here, but I don't think it will result in a bullish breakout. I think it's more likely that will result into a further consolidation right here, and then that consolidation somewhere next week could lead to a bullish breakout. But at this moment, look, I'll keep you updated on that. At this moment, it's just not most likely, I would say. I have a little bit of an irritating eye. But no, so those are my thoughts. I don't expect a big crash, even when Bitcoin falls down a bit more. But I do think it's most likely that we won't break out, even though we got some more momentum over the course of the last couple of hours. This is what I think is most likely. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group. Very valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.